to change the text orientation in your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the text orientation or text angle on your Microsoft Excel web, I just going to show in this video. So here I just type as text and angle here. Okay, so let's change this. So for an example, select the text. Okay, now you will see this option here on the alignment section. So here this is called orientation. Click on this arrow section. So you will have a diagonal up 45 degree or diagonal minus 45 degree or vertical letter or rotate up to 90 degree and minus 10 degree. So we can just use, you can see this is how it's changed with the space. It also adjusts the cell spacing so it look like whatever. So you can see it's actually vertically. So I just can copy this and change the angles so you can see how it's look like. So this is another type of angle and this is 90 degree. So you can see it's normal. So this is how you just change the text direction or orientation or angle on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you. Not like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.